one that we already unboxed. It's right here. Here are some of them that we already unboxed for Series 1. These are little scenes that you can put your pop-ups and you can play with them. I can't wait for Series 2! And to see what scenes Series 2 has. This is Series 2. Let's get popping. Guys, for the full collection of Season 1, be sure to check out that video and after this one. It'll be at the end of this one or check right here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a close-up so you can see. I already saw it guys, so. Guys, it's so amazing and I want to show you how amazing this box is. You see that guys? This is the boy side and this is the girl side. I saw on the front page here, look. Right here, they might be glittery too, because I see one glittery here, or one sparkly. It glows in the dark! Maybe, I don't know guys, let's find out. So, keep on watching, let's unbox this. Guys, there's two parts, so we're going to open this on the second part. We're going to open this right now. I'm so excited, guys! Okay. It comes with 3 background scenarios. Here is our mat, so our table won't get messy. Whoa, this is a massive pop-up. You guys don't want to miss it. Keep on watching this. Guys, we have 3 starter packs and 4 deluxe packs.
Luna, are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I love that these pop-ups always come with this mat. And I think this is a great idea, right Luna? Yeah. So we don't make a mess on the table or anywhere else, right? Yeah. Alright Luna, so Luna's going to open right now the deluxe pack. Alright Luna, let's get going.
Okay.
Let's get unboxing.
Whoa. Last ones. There. Okay guys, my pinks are here and my blues or teals are here. Guys, I told you they're going to be sparkly and glow in the dark. I can't wait. I'm going to bring these for Halloween. I'm going to carry them on Halloween because they look so fun. Like it's glow in the dark. Okay guys, I'm going to start popping. Should I open this? I already see a character. I'm going to open... I got slime.
How did the slime feel?
It feels so like, it feels so slimy. Feels like I'm picking a booger from the nose.
It feels like you're picking a booger from your nose? Luna! You are so silly, Luna. Alright, so you got your first one. Was that a pop-up inside? Was that a pet inside?
No.
No pet inside?
Okay. I know there's a pet.
Some of them have pets inside, guys, as you can see, like this one. And some of them just...
I want to open the pet one. I want to use this.
Luna, and some of them just come with the slime, right?
Yes.
Alright, let's open up the one with the pet.
I want to open the pink one or the pet one.
You want to switch 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a pink one.
Ah!
Alright, guys, we have our first pet out.
Aw, guys, I got the first one. She looks like a monkey sleeping on a banana hamburger. Not a banana. It doesn't look like a banana. It looks like a hamburger. Yay, first one. We gotta welcome her with slime. Wake up, monkey. Ah! Now here comes another blue. I want to pick the one with the animal inside. Ah! Off it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look how pretty she is. Let me just take her out of the slime. She looks like a Mulan. Mulan. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I like how the slime gets thick. Okay, she looks like a. It's a little baby. And a baby carriage! She's not a mole on her. Look how... I could grab her. Oh, it's a little baby. Okay guys, now the pink one. So, I think I'm gonna go with the first one. Okay guys, it's popped. I got a creature. Like, oh my god, what is this one? What is this one? It's a baseball bat.
Oh, how adorable.
It's a baseball bat player. Guys, it looks like a baseball player because it has the hat and the bat. I don't think that it's a bat, but I think it's a baseball player. Here comes the blue again. Guys, it was so loud pop. Like, boom. I got a creature. I mean, why does it keep on saying a creature? It's not a creature. I think that one's a glow-in-the-dark one. Guys, watch to the end. We're gonna see if this one glows or whichever glows.
We're gonna make everyone trying to glow, guys. I think Luna's right. This might be a glow in the dark, so keep on watching.
Yeah. Now here comes another one. Let me pop it. Oh my god! I brought it back, guys. It flied out. Yes, finally. Yes. Oh, darn it. It didn't come with the animal today. This. But it came with an awesome light pink, neon pink. This looks so cute. I'm gonna put it in here. Now put the blue. Okay, so let's get this one. Ready? Ready. Fuerzas!
Popped again.
By the way, guys,
Fuerza.
Fuerza means stronger, so I tried to do that. I think I got it though. Wait, what? Oh yeah. You heard that? Do not wear headphones, because then it's gonna pop like.
Because this one has a little pet inside, Luna?
No, not yet. It would sound like a fart.
You are so silly, Luna.
The next one.
Pink. Guys,
This
this keeps flying.
Like loco.
Yay.
Yes. So this one didn't come with an animal. I think
But it came with an awesome slime. Don't mix them up.
Two more from the deluxe pack. I think I want to choose this one. I think this one's not going to have an animal. Nope. The pink one looks like two pink ones look like they're going to have animals. This one, That even hurt my ears! To my left, guys, I'm gonna pop both together. So. Well, obviously I can't do that because I just got a cut right here. Okay. No surprise in here, guys.
So with this pop-ups, guys, some of them may have a pop-up, a pet inside, and some of them just a slime. Slime's still cool and awesome. We love either
Jello.
the surprise or just a slime. One more, Luna. Pop up the last one, honey.
Okay, this one, it doesn't really... That was fast. Okay, now, guys, now we're going to open starter pack. Well, by the way, thank you, Lulu, for sending us these free pop-ups for us to unbox on our channel. Okay, so let's pop it. Oh! Hey guys, I just got the slime. Let's put it back where the other ones are. Okay. Ah! That actually worked! What is this one? Oh my god. Oh my god, this one is... It's a dolphin swimming in ice cream. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is! Okay, ready? Oh, it's a duplicate! Oh! got sliding this time. I like the 2 duplicates. Those are so pretty. Look at guys, I think these 2 are just slime or they have a character. So let's pop it. Well, one of them flew off. Okay, nothing in here either. Okay guys, I'm gonna open both of the scenarios that I have. So I have one. I think this one's gonna be the same too. So let's put this one down. And I have same. Okay guys, so here is the checklist where you can see if you got a rare, a duplicate, and you can find their names. We got Dolphin, and she's a common dolphin. Here is where you can know they are ultra rare, rare, or
Common. Oh, they also have a special edition, Luna.
Yeah. Guys, monkey infant, and she's a rare. She's so cute. Guys, this is a dolphin, not a
baseball
bird.
bat.
Yeah.
Kind of look like a baseball bat from far away. And she's a common.
We have 2 macaroon monkeys. This one is common, and this one is common too. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We haven't got a glitter one or glow in the dark yet. So make sure to go check out part 2.